How to share your Shein wish list on app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically share your Shein wish list on app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So what you want to do is simply first of all just go ahead and then open the Shein app over here. Once you launch the Shein app, you're going to see this type of interface. Now to first of all locate your wish list, what you need to do is just go ahead and then first of all open up any of the product details page here. So it could be any product details page. Once you open any product details page, you want to tap the three dots icon from the top right and then just go to wish list, and then you'll be able to see all the items of your wish list. The problem here is that I will not directly be able to go ahead and then share my wish list, but what I can do is the products that are inside of my wish list, I can simply add them to my board. So I'll just long press on it or do whatever else I can here, and I'll just add them to my board here by just tapping on it. And then when I add them to my board, you can see I'll just tap on this board that I want to actually create. So I'll just select add from all items. I'll select my wish list here. I'll just tap on add to board. Now once I've added the product to my board, I can actually share the board. So you can see the share icon right next to this board. So just tap the share button here, and then you can share them on WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, or even Instagram, or even more social media apps. You can simply choose to copy the link and then send them with any other friends. And that's it on how you can basically share your Shein wish list on app. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.